In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram error 409 step by step so you can get your bot or script running again without that annoying conflict issue. Error 409 usually happens when Telegram detects that another process is already connected or when an old token or duplicate session is still active in the background. The good news is that in most cases, this is very easy to fix once you know exactly where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check for duplicate or orphaned processes on your computer. If you're running a Python bot, Node app YAP, or any Telegram automation script, there's a good chance an old instance is still alive in the background. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and E ESC together to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of running processes carefully. Search for anything related to your bot, your code editor, or your runtime environment. Common examples include python.cx, node.exe, or even background processes connected to VS Code or other IDE tools. If you see more than one copy of the same process, or anything that looks stuck, unresponsive, or duplicated, select it and click End Task. The goal here is to make sure there is only one active instance of your bot or script running at a time. Telegram error 409 often appears when two processes are trying to use the same bot connection, so clearing out those extra background tasks can solve the problem immediately. After you've ended the duplicate processes, go back and try running your script again to see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to revoke and change the bot token. This is a very important fix because sometimes the token being used in your local environment may be outdated, copied incorrectly, or still tied to another session. To do this, open Telegram and start a chat with @BotFather. Once the chat is open, send the command /revoke. BotFather will then let you choose the bot you want to update. Select the correct bot, and Telegram will permanently invalidate the old token and generate a brand new one for you. After you receive the new token, copy it carefully and update it in your local configuration file, environment variables, or wherever your app stores the bot token. If you're using a .env file, replace the old string with the new one exactly as provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces, missing characters, or line breaks, because even a small mistake can cause your bot to fail again. Once the new token is saved, restart your app or script so it loads the updated credentials. At this point, your Telegram bot should be using a clean token and only one active process, which solves the most common causes of error 409. If you still run into problems, double check that your bot is not running on another machine, server, or deployment environment at the same time. Telegram only wants one active connection in many bot setups, so shutting down the old session is often the final missing step. To recap, first kill any duplicate or orphaned processes in Task Manager, then revoke the old bot token using BotFather and replace it with the new one in your environment settings. These two steps fix most Telegram error 409 issues quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes, bot tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.